I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 17 of the 2023 CW Collage. This is the Crossword Collage Challenge, or for lack of a better word, challenge, hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And I'm a little bit behind because I haven't been feeling good this week, but I am feeling better. So all we have to do is use a crossword puzzle, put in a title in it, and decorate it however we want. So mine is Girls Day Out, and I got these images from the Digital Collage Club, and I love retro and I love vintage, and so that's what I'm going with. And these came from my Things to Cut Out and Collage book. So I am just gonna go from here and see what I come up with. Her whole foot wasn't there, so I kind of want to put her at the bottom so that she'll it'll look better. And I think I want her sitting up here, and since her hand's there, I thought maybe she could be holding that. And the others I'm just gonna put around however I think looks good. So I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain now that I'm feeling a little bit better. I took myself off my medicine, which I know I shouldn't do, but I started having some issues. It's like you feel good in one way on your medicine, but it makes you feel bad in other ways. So you go off the medicine and you feel better in other ways, and then you don't feel good in the first way. So it's like when I'm on my medicine, it's hard for me I'm more lethargic, and it's harder for me. So, but when I'm on my medicine, it keeps my blood pressure and everything down. So it's just trying to find that happy balance, but we'll figure it out. So I'm kind of going along with something like this. This is going to be fairly simple. I've already got my things inked, and I've already got my background and my crossword down. So now it's just a matter of adding everything and embellishing it any way we want to. So we'll just go with that. Now, my husband and I, we're still watching Haven, and it has been so good. We're in season 3. We're almost finished with season 3. I've spent way too much time in front of the TV, but it has been so good. It's like you have to keep watching. And I have finished the Mary Burton book. I think it's Eyes Closed Shut or something like that. And it was good. And so I'm now reading a Barbara Michaels book. I haven't read Barbara Michaels in years, and I love her books. I used to love them. I'm hoping I still love them. But I am reading one of her books that was on sale. So that's what I'm up to right now in that way. Haven't been watching too much on my own, although Harry Wild is back for the 2nd season, so I did watch the first episode of that. I liked it on Acorn. But I just haven't had much time except for what my husband and I watch. But as for watching TV on my own, I really haven't had much time. I did finish my fall journal, and I need to get busy on my October Dear Julie, Julie. I've got a small start on it, but not much. I don't want to get behind like I did last time. And I may be biting off more than I can chew by doing that challenge, but I enjoyed it and I learned so much. but it's just with everything else. And like I said, my medicine. I hate being on medicine, but I have so much more energy when I'm off of it, but then I have other issues. And then when I'm on the medicine, I don't feel like doing too terribly much. It just knocks me out for a loop. And I'm hoping part of it's just because I've been off of it for a while. But I have a doctor's appointment today, so he can fuss at me and we'll get it all out of the way and go from there. Okay. So far, so good. I love the images. I am planning on doing the Christmas journal using the images. Joey Cardmaker's new digital, and they're a Christmas retro, and it looks very cool. I already got them printed out. I did get that much done. So I'm anxious to see how that'll turn out. Alright, so girls stay out. So they're going to go eat some good food, talk on the phone, and maybe even bring a Jell-O mold. Why not? Let's see how cliche we can get. Okay, and now I'm just going to go around with a little bit of, make it pop from the background. Just going to use my gel pen. That Haven is so creepy, but it's so fun. I don't mind creepy. I don't like gore. And, but I like those kind that, you know, that are kind of, it's sort of like your horror movies. You know, as a kid, I used to, of course, like all your little scary Friday 13th type shows, but movies, but not anymore. But I do like things like Sixth Sense and spooky in that type. I think those are fun. I'm not into the demon possession type stuff either. I don't go for that. Okay. I always say I blame Scooby-Doo. I loved Scooby-Doo as a kid, so I've always loved ghost story type things. Not sure what happened to girls. They just, me included, I mean, it's nice not to have to wear high heels and all of that. But there's something to be said. It was so, you know, pretty. I know women didn't get much respect, but there was such a sense of style and beauty back then. Don't see much of today. You get nostalgic for a period that you've never even lived in, and you probably wouldn't like if you did live in it. I do think times were much simpler back then, though. My oldest son has been trying to buy a new truck, and he is having the dickens of a time. They are outrageous, and trying to find one and get one to where he can get it to him. A friend of ours, or a friend of my husband, he went to school with, said that it's hard. People have waited up to 2 years to get a brand new truck. Now, he's not going after a new one. In my whole married life, we've only had one brand new vehicle, and we learned real quick that it's best just to, now we've bought secondhand where it's only had like 3,000 miles, and you know, program cars or something like that, and it has worked out so much better. So much of the depreciation has gone, so we haven't bought it. That's the only new car we ever bought, and I'm not sorry. I don't have to have the latest and greatest of all those things. It's not my, I'm not a worshiper of cars. I like, just as long as it gets me to from point A to point B, I'm happy. But he wants a truck, and it is just ridiculous. Used to, you go to a truck if you wanted something cheap, but not anymore. But he thinks he found one, but it's just trying to get everything lined up. He's done got approved at the bank and all of that good stuff. It's just getting the vehicle to him. Okay. Almost got it. I've never been ice skating. I never could do well on roller skates. A little happy there, didn't I? All right, just about to get it. I haven't even done cooking videos. I am just so far behind. I've got so much to catch up with. There we go. I like it. I didn't go around these. Oops, I'm just not doing so great, am I, with the outlining? There we go. We'll get it. Alrighty then. Well, I'm going to call this done. I think with all my flowers and stuff, I won't need the splatters. Although I hate not doing the splatters, so I don't know why I say that I'm going to not do the splatters, because I always end up doing the splatters. So let's do splatters. I'm going to have to move to a different gold. I'm running out of the gold that I usually go for. But do go by and check out Barbie's channel, Nellie and Ruth Designs. I have it listed in my description box. She is so talented and so funny. and I've enjoyed doing this challenge. I think it's supposed to go to the end of the year. I usually have this up on Mondays, but like I said, I didn't get it done this week, but I'll try it. She's already got 18 out, so I'm going to try to have it out Monday. So there we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I'm not myself, but I will hopefully break out of that. And I hope y'all have a great, wonderful day, a great, wonderful weekend, and don't let Friday the 13th get you. So, until next time, bye, y'all.